At the open, all-time high for the S&P 500.
It's your boy Jimmy.
Now, what's worth doing is worth doing for money.
Straight from y'all street to Wall Street.
Anybody tells you money's the root of all evil, doesn't make up half.
Dudes wake up, hope their girl turned on so they can get a little bit. Only woman in the morning, I wanna turn on this. Becky quick. While the average man looking at it's sad like she fine as yeah. I'm over here looking at tails and whips like 5'6". I left the mayhem for the market. Now I don't want a dope spot, I want to stop it. I know that booty got dry, triggered my stop losses, but I ain't got time for your wop. My V-wops crossing. Rich with hot V's and pushing hot keys. Strategy and plans to make grand. Still in my wife beater. Batman pajamas, outside, and about 5 hot picks for the day. Cause I like the way the Dow bounces. 4 hot dips on call, so I got options. 2 with a lot of volume, 1 with a double bottle. Now I know dumb money don't understand. Am I talking about my trade or just thinking with my MACD? You see, we different in the way we move. You move with kittens and your dog, I move with bears and bulls. I got a green thought, grow with the marijuana. Waking up with the fun, some commas. Jump out of bed, big profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, big profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs and stop. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Profits. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETL, making profits. I jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. Yeah. See, me and Jim Cramer been talking mad money. Said today I'm taking a risk. They got the feds coming, but I got support here with me. I call a short squeeze. You get the drop, she pull the trigger and abort these. If she stay on my watch list, I might have to wife her. But I know better. I'm a true trading group lifer. Call up the Wolf of Weed Street. It's time to flip some profits. Go ahead, be hawking. Get your spot here. I'll double top that in the head and shoulders. Hit him up with this resistance.
at the open. All-time high for the S&P 500.
It's your boy Jimmy. Jimmy.
Now, what's worth doing is worth doing for money.
Straight from y'all street to Wall Street.
Anybody tells you money's the root of all evil doesn't make up happen.
Dudes wake up, hope their girl turned on so they can get a little bit. Only woman in the morning, I wanna turn on this. Becky quick. While the average man looking at this act like she fine as it. I'm over here looking at tails and whips like 5'6". I left the mayhem for the market. Now I don't want a dope spot, I want a stock pick. I know that booty got dry, triggered my stop losses, but I ain't got time for your wop. My V-wops crossing. Rich with hot V's and pushing hot strategy and plans to make grand. Still in my wife beater, Batman pajamas, house slides, and about 5 hot picks for the day. Cause I like the way the Dow bounce. 4 hot dips on call, so I got options. 2 with a lot of volume, 1 with a double bottle. Now I know dumb money don't understand. Am I talking about my trade or just thinking with my MACD? You see, we different in the way we move. You move with kittens and your dog, I move with bears and bulls. I got a green thought, grow with the marijuana. Waking up with the fun, some commas. Jump out of bed, big profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, big profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs and stop. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Profits. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETL, making profits. I jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. Yeah. See, me and Jim Cramer been talking mad money. Said today I'm taking a risk. They got the feds coming, but I got support here with me. I call a short squeeze. You get the drop, pull the trigger, and abort these. If she stay on my watch list, I might have to wife her. But I know better. I'm a true trading group lifer. Call up the Wolf of Weed Street. It's time to flip some profits. Go ahead, be hawking. Get your spot here. I'll double top that in the head and shoulders. Hit him up with this resistance. Watch him roll over. Cause I see John Wicks in contract. If I say I make $1 million a day, well, that's a large cap. You moving average, that's why you get crossed. Get split, get delisted, and knocked off. And I'm setting the whole block off. I'm buying GameStop and selling them roadblocks off. Jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs and stop. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Profits. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETL. Hey, my family. Hey, go, what we doing, my man? And make profits. Hey, Shug, Mike, what we doing? And make profits. Yo, Wolf, Professor, what we doing? And make profits. That TTG money gang. And making profits. We some snipers.
What's going on, Mike?
Hey, yo. What's up, everyone?
What's going on, guys? How are you today? What's up? What's up?
Thank you all for coming on here today, guys.
Yeah, no, absolutely. I know it was short notice, and the time on this, you know, what do you call it? We had to restart the video. Somebody said I had to pee, which was funny. I was watching that.
That was pretty funny. I laughed.
That was really funny. It's nice to have a laugh. Mateo Mendoza says, first time in stream. Hopefully I don't get disappointed. Oh, man. Feels like every time I had a first date, how I would feel.
Mateo, you picked one hell of a day to come on the stream.
Yeah, Mateo, come back tomorrow, bro.
This isn't going to be like our normal streams, brother. You picked one hell of a day.
Yeah. All right. What I'd like to know right now, if you're an annual member of True Trading Group, can you go ahead and type the number 1 in chat if you're an annual member of True Trading Group, please? Damn. All right. Look at all those annual members, man.
Wow, it's a lot. That is a lot of annual members. Wow.
Rolling deep today.
Wow. Wow, look at this.
Do you and overall, what do you all, I mean, just out of curiosity, right? Not that we need to make this any harder, but what do you all think of True Trading Group? Like all the annual members that are typing, like what do you guys, I mean, how has your experience been? We really want to know.
Yeah, be honest. Be straight up. Love it. Genuine. Top Gun. Excellent. The best training platform. We love it. Worth the annual. Love it, love it, love it. Fantastic. To be determined. Just joined. Best experience ever. Very helpful. Great family. Best group ever. Superb. Awesome. The best.
We got a B+ from somebody. I'll take it.
Gear Halerm gave us a B+. Love it, love it. Awesome. Still trying to figure it out. Just joined. Family dynamic. Just started. Very good training. A+++++++ is old timey.
Damn, do you read Darlene's comment?
I did not see Darlene. You guys are honest, and I don't feel alone. My stress level has came down. Not up to where I would like to make money, but I know this is where I need to be. Amen to that, Darlene. Take your time. There's no rush. Take your time. Blown away by the genuine nature. Awesome, Jim. I appreciate that.
I mean, this really means the world to us, you know? We
2 months straight green. Enough said.
Ugh. I mean, we really I don't even know how to say what I want to say, you know. We really, it's, you know, when we created True Trading Group, we felt very strongly and feel very strongly about making sure that, you know, it's a really simple process for Mike and I, right? It was a very simple process for Mike and I. Very simple decision. It was, there's an industry that exists. There's an industry that exists that we know does nothing but prey on other people. Not 100%, but for the most part. And Mike and I set out to change that. And it's been a long road. It has not been an easy road. We do these live streams 6 nights a week. It has not been an easy road. But we do it. And you guys here are the reason, right? Like, you know, it's more than just it's more than just the same what is it? Somebody said, B Dizzle says, pennies in the raw said the same thing. That's all right. Mike, when we sent out the text today, we went ahead and there were people that replied back because we said TTG is done, right? So we got messages back. Somebody said, I knew it. You were a Ponzi scheme. I knew it. You were a scam. I knew it. The FTC is coming after you. I knew it. This, I knew it. I mean, I could read all of them. I mean, it was crazy. You know, there was a couple of people that were like celebrating the downfall, you know, which is just insane. I mean, look how many people it's helped. Look how many people it's helped.
Clown ass.
Yeah. Now we know who you are.
Now we know who you are.
So, but listen.
I hope they're on this live stream.
I hope that you know.
I pray.
Yeah.
Your stupid face is locked right into your computer screen or your cell phone right now, staring at mine. I pray to God. I really do.
Guys, there's almost 1,000 people on here. Can we click the like button, please? This could very well be, this could be it right here. All right, here goes. So it's been very important for us to help change that for traders and for people, and I think that we've done a good job at that. One of the things that was amazing for us out of the gate is that, oh, this is difficult, man. Is that with True Trading Group, we knew that we wanted to come out of the gate with an annual membership, wherein people didn't have to like pay a little amount and then get upsold a tremendous amount, right? We didn't want people to come in and have to pay a little bit for this, a little bit for that, and get bits and pieces, and then not have access to what they need. And we were really the first group to do that, where we were all encompassing, right? It was our goal to provide something that was all encompassing, affordable for most people. I mean, these were all the goals.
Yeah.
These were all the things that we set out to achieve.
A full solution.
A full solution for people without the need of constant, oh, buy this course, buy that course, buy this, buy that, that's, man. What did you, and then our annual members, right? Like, do you think, like, have we achieved that? Do you feel that we were able to achieve that? Simple yes or no.
Yes. 100. Yes. One-stop shop. I mean, look at all the yeses and absoluties. Yeah. Do you guys think that we've achieved that? Do you think we've accomplished that, providing like that all-in-one solution?
Yeah.
Hell yes. How about a simple hell yes?
And one of the most important things too, man, is that our people here, our members, this is no joke, man. Like, we're here to make money, and our members, you're seeing it. They make money and they become better traders at True Trading Group, right? Watch. One more question, and then I'll get to the point of all this. TTG members, are you making money? Are you becoming a better trader? TTG members, are you making money, and are you becoming better traders? Type the $ in chat if you are.
Yeah, I take this stuff real serious, man. Like other people always say, like, oh, where do you get the passion to educate? I mean, it's all this. This is where it comes from. It's actually,
yeah. Look at how many people we have actually, we did it the right way. We did it the right way. We didn't do it selling our cars or showing pictures of showing pictures of money, or making a bunch of false, crazy promises. We didn't do it that way. We did it the right way, man. Sure. You know how we did it? We let our members do the talking for us.
Yep.
We let the people that are paying us the money to be there, we let them do the talking for us. Because that's what matters. Not how much money I have or Mike has, not what car we drive. None of that shit, none of that stuff matters. I mean, how many places do you know that you go to where they have real trading, right? Where you can watch real professional traders during the day in every style of trading, literally watch them trade live and give you all complete analysis on every facet of it. That's True Trading Group. Whether you're at your desk at work or you're on your, or you're in front of your computer, it doesn't matter. I had a member send me something today. And I honestly, I don't know who the group is, but apparently there's a member that was in another group. And, I'll go ahead and just kind of read.
Yeah, I like while you're finding that also a comment from John Reed. I love stuff like from a former skeptic. I'll tell you this platform and group is legit, and I get people are skeptical, and you guys should be skeptical because there's a lot of crap out there, man. There really is a lot of crap out there.
So this is from a member today. They said, just wanted to briefly write you guys and share something you might want to hear about. I'm in one other paid membership that has a Discord, etc., for a monthly price. It's been rolling along for over a year, and I have grown, and has grown quite a lot. Recently, he, the owner of that group, was caught paper trading, apparently the entire time. It has been quite unbelievable watching the entire thing unfold, and the anger and frustration of all members who truly trusted this quote guru. Just thought I would share this with you all. As you always mention these gurus, as this experience, I can honestly say you guys are the real deal. Keep it up.
Wow.
Because we do. We let it all hang out there.
Yeah, man. You got wow.
That's the thing about True Trading Group, man. Win, lose, or draw, we are in the trenches with you. Win, lose, or draw, we are in the trenches with you.
That's right.
By the way, we do a hell of a lot more winning than we do losing.
Yes, we certainly do. But the red trades will be there too. Red days will be there. I'm in there with you guys, all the mods. We're with you guys. We're making money with you together. We're losing money together. It just, you have your winning trades, you have your losing trades. We've been able to maintain a cumulative win rate as a group of around 80% for the last 3 years. But we're going to have red trades. We'll have red days. But it's all part of trading. It's all part of it. And I have no problem coming on these live streams. Like every day, I'm like, I'm green today, or hey, I'm red today. This is where I made money. This is where I lost money. You guys get the whole the whole thing. Full transparency and honesty. It's the only way to be. There's a lot of crap out there, as you guys have seen.
Yeah.
That's crazy. I can only imagine how many people were in that Discord.
Probably a ton. That monthly model really gets a lot of people. It's like a gym membership. You pay $150 a month. You're willing to pay it because it's only $150. Then you forget about it, or you're getting all sorts of BS.
Yeah.
It's you get what you get what you pay for. It's really that simple. I've seen some of these Discords for $5,000.
What? Seriously?
Yeah. All right. Real quick, just so I know how many people are on here that are not members. If you're not a member of True Trading Group, can you type TTG in chat, please? If you're not a member of True Trading Group, can you type TTG in chat? I'd love to know how many people are about to hear this.
Matthew, Gold Miner, Duff. Get out of here, man. He's such a
Duff is not a member.
Oh, he didn't renew?
Nope.
Oh, Duff. You broke my heart right there.
It's not entirely his fault.
Oh, okay. Fair enough. Steve, Mateo, Acrid, Aya, Forex, Mary, Joris, Hassan, Hans, Chris, I hate you so much, bro. Sean Johnson, you guys, Guillermo, Steve Roberts, What Learned from YouTube, just found this. We got a bunch of new faces here, Adam.
Yeah. So as everyone just saw, the annual membership that we offer was a really big game-changing thing for this industry. It's not offered anywhere else, and definitely not in the capacity that we do it. I mean, we've literally gone ahead and, I remember at the beginning, Mike, when I was actually going and taking meetings with Benzinga, Quote Media, and I was begging them to let us do these deals with them.
Right.
Begging them because they had not done it with another group before.
Right. They had to buy into us.
They had to buy into the idea of what it is that we were talking about, because they sell their own products, and on top of that, it was hard to like wrap your head around.
Right.
So I see a bunch of people says, are we going monthly? Absolutely not.
No, we're not going monthly.
Never. First of all, that's the thing, right? The only way that I got the okay. So for those that are new, when you join the True Trading Group annual membership, yes, you get all of the alerts, you get the courses. There's no upsells for courses, alerts, or anything like that. But you're also getting a whole bunch of tools. You're getting like $5,000 worth of tools from companies like Benzinga, Quote Media, right? You're getting a tremendous amount of tools, all included. There's no the whole thing with us is that you're getting all of these tools, all of these courses, and there were no upsells for tools and courses. It's just whatever we had, you got. For the year. You got it for the year. Right? You got it for the year.
Yeah.
And we had to do it at that year model, which ended up working out better for us anyways, but we had to do it at that year model because that was the only way that our downstream partners would allow it.
Right. You got to pay, basically, you lock it in, pay it up front instead
right.
of typically.
So, which is fine because honestly, people that were willing to put up the annual membership fee up front, those people were more serious.
Yeah.
If you want to, look, just like I've said before, if you have a Corolla and a Ferrari and you drive both and they both get dirty, which one are you going to wash first?
Right.
You're going to wash the one that you have, that has more value. So the annual membership was a big game changer.
Leveled the playing field for a lot of people. Gave them a real chance. Gave them access to the things that they need. It's
that product literally changed lives during the pandemic, and has substantially impacted people's ability to feel confident heading into a potential recession.
I wonder how many members we have on here right now that True Trading Group that they say has legitimately changed their life for the better.
Ask them.
Yeah, guys, I'm actually, members, if you can honestly say True Trading Group has changed your life for the better, comment in chat. Just type me or yes or whatever, but comment in chat right now if you can say that True Trading Group has changed your life for the better. Like legitimately change your life for the better. Not just like, joking around, oh yeah, life changer, but like honestly, like truly and genuinely, you can say was a positive life changer for you guys. Wow, man. This is why, wow.
So anyone out there that is not a member, not even that you join True Trading Group, but I'm glad that people are seeing this, because I want people to know that if you're going to be a part of something, this is what you want to see. You want to see the members, you want to see the people that are paying, you want to see what they have to say, not just on a Trustpilot account, even though we are 5-star rated on Trustpilot with over 2,000 reviews. You want to do it, you know, you want to see what these people really have to say. It's super important.
That's why we do it. You know,
how many of you have started True Trading Group with a job, with a 9 to 5, and have transitioned into becoming a full-time trader?
Yeah, attempt number 1 for that.
They said, how many people are members? We have close to, right now, I don't know, have to be approaching 11,000 at this point. I'd have to check for the exact number.
All right, look at all the people that have become full-time traders.
Yep.
It's incredible, man.
Yep. This is what we do, man. You know, we've been very fortunate.
Stratagem goes, I got rid of my job and my husband. Good for you.
For them, it was truly life-changing. What platform do you guys use? Everyone trades different. Mike trades with Lightspeed. A lot of our members trade with Thinkorswim. You know, E-Trade, Schwab, which I guess now is E-Trade, right?
No, you should. Schwab is its own platform. Yeah, you guys can use whatever platform. I trade with Lightspeed, but you know we have members.
You can trade with whatever you want.
Yeah, E-Trade, Webull, Charles Schwab, Interactive Brokers.
Oh, you mean with our courses and all? Yeah, I mean that's entirely up to you. You don't need to have a specific trading account for our platform. Our platform is all web based.
Yeah.
So you know, our platform is all web based. So you won't, you know, you don't need any special software to download or anything like that. Just a good internet connection.
Yeah, some people like never heard of Lightspeed. You guys don't need Lightspeed is not something for beginners. Lightspeed is certain services, different hedge funds and services. It's like a professional trading platform. It's not really something that I would even recommend that a beginner trader uses. I've always used Lightspeed. The fund that I worked at traded through Lightspeed. It's not like an E-Trade, a Thinkorswim. It's a professional platform. It's not something, and it also still charges commissions for executions. You have different features that you have access to on Lightspeed that you won't on some of the traditional retail brokers, but you don't need to pay those commissions. You know, just E-Trade, Charles Schwab, Thinkorswim, you know, Interactive Brokers, zero commission trading. Just use them. You don't need to use Lightspeed.
All right, let's get on with this because I got Passover dinner and I got to get home for that. So I want to, you know, and all right, again, listen up. All right, listen up. What I'm about to tell you right now is specifically going to affect anyone that is an annual member. All right, if you're an annual member of True Trading Group, this is going to directly affect you immediately. Going forward, oh, this is such a bait and switch, man. You know, like from what they bought versus what they're about to receive. I guess we kind of fulfilled it, you know, like we
did it, you know.
We finally lived up to being a scam, I guess.
Yeah, I guess so.
All right. One more time. If you're an annual member, type the number 1 in chat real quick. Annual members, type the number 1 in chat. All right. I know that we told you when you signed up that you would get access to the courses for the entire year. I know that we said that. All right. Somebody goes, refund them. Duh. I love it. I love it.
Losers.
Is that what somebody said?
No, I'm calling them saying that to them.
All right. You got 1 bar of reception wherever you are.
Wherever I am, does it look like I'm somewhere different than every other night?
I don't know, but you're frozen, so whatever. Lifetime members, I know that we promised you that you would get full year of access.
Even annual members.
Can somebody get rid of Baby Shark? I don't know. I thought we had mods in this chat still. Turns out we're making a big change to that. What you know as the True Trading Group annual membership is now done. It's done. The current iteration of the TTG annual membership is finished. And as part of our terms and conditions, we're allowed to do that, and we're allowed to change it. So what we're going to do is as follows. Let me just pull it up here, and we're going to go over it with you guys right now. All right, here we go. I'm a little nervous. The new TTG annual membership will now include James Sears goes, "You all have been screwed." Yeah, watch this. Annual membership will now include
Suck it, James.
all courses and tools, including new courses and tools during your active membership for the year, 2 small private study groups, unlimited red to green workshops, all trade alerts, chat room access, in-chat access to all trading mods all day, because they're in there all day, Monday through Friday. Mike, you want to tell them about the interview real quick?
From now on, folks, listen to me very carefully. All of the annual members, when you join True Trading Group, we are setting up, organizing, and implementing a brand new onboarding trader identity interview process where trading reps from True Trading Group will go through with you an interview process to help you identify what is the best trading style for you based on the amount of time that you have available on the trading day and based on your personality traits. This way, we can jumpstart your learning process, speed up the part of you trying to figure out which strategy is best for you, speed up trying to figure out which moderators' trades are going to be best, the alerts, which ones will be the best alerts for you to follow, which ones give you the best opportunity to profit during the day. We're going to help you identify that immediately beginning your membership. This way, you have a head start. This way, we can avoid all of the early pitfalls that have you making mistakes early on that cost you money while you go through that learning process. Typically, that learning curve, that learning curve not only takes time, but it also ends up costing people money because they make mistakes during that learning curve. And I want to avoid that. I want to stop that, because when people join True Trading Group, I want you to be starting off from day one, knowing exactly what path you should be on. I don't want anybody to feel like
how much is this going to cost them extra?
This is going to cost you a whopping $0 extra as part of your annual membership. This is something that we are creating and implementing at True Trading Group to help you get the best opportunity to profit and help you get more value than you guys could have ever possibly imagined from that annual membership. And you will now have access to the courses for 3 years.
Come on. You couldn't let me have that one?
I'm sorry. Go ahead.
You're such a dick.
Go ahead.
All annual members, if you sign up for an annual membership and you decide at the end of your year that for whatever the reason you're not able to renew, you get access to all the courses for 3 years at no additional cost. You could reiterate that part.
Yeah, so guys, so there you have. So you'll have access to the courses for 3 years. This way you will still have access to the educational material and content, regardless of what's going on in the market. Market environments shift, market environments change. And I want you guys to make sure that you are always fully prepared for whatever this market brings. As you can see, from 1 year to the next, things can change drastically. You went from 2021 to the market screaming higher every day to 2022, the market rolling over and falling out of bed every single day. Markets can change very, very quickly. And I want to make sure that you always feel like you are never just stranded completely alone.
Right. So somebody's asking, do you get annual membership access for 3 years? No. Once you, if you do not renew, you will not be able to go and chat. You won't be able to do any of the workshops. You won't get any of the tools. You will just be able to log in. Everything else will be locked, but you will have access to all of your courses. For free.
There you have it, folks. Just to piss you off, Chris.
Yeah, we did this just to piss you off, Chris.
Just to piss you off, Chris. That's it.
So True Trading Group and the current iteration is done. The current iteration of True Trading Group and that annual membership is done, and what has replaced it is something awesome.
Exactly. So all the people that thought, oh, see, I knew it. Yeah, you knew it. You knew that the best of the best just got better, my friend. That's what you knew.
Yeah.
That's what you knew.
You didn't know shit is what you knew. You know,
the best of the best just got better.
So big bad. They're big bad right now.
We somehow figured out how could the company that already provides the most value out of any single program platform out there. Nobody even comes close to the value that we provide at True Trading Group. And just when you thought we couldn't provide any more value, boom, Adam and I come up with a game changer to once again revolutionize this industry, force our competitors' hand to keep up. Because right now, you're falling behind. They're falling behind quick. And all the haters out there that wanted to run their little mouths before we started this live stream saying, I told you so. You told me nothing. You told me you've been losing money for the last 3 years, while members of True Trading Group are having the best years, best weeks, best months that they've ever had. While members of True Trading Group are making money, while they're becoming better traders, while they're quitting their jobs and becoming full-time traders, we are still here moving forward. Now with members in over 100 different countries, this platform continues to grow, this community continues to grow, and we will be the reason why you will never hear Wall Street traders refer to retail traders as dumb money ever again. That is our goal, and we continue to strive towards that every single day. And this is just one more step that direction.
Somebody goes, just to confirm, TTG is not in fact done. Hell no.
we just got started. Come on, man. Come on. You guys really
We're just getting started, man. We're just getting started.
The annual membership, as you knew it, is done. It's just gotten better. And that's True Trading Group, folks. That's how we do it.
That's how we do it, man.
I'm sorry.
By the way, big shout out to all the lifetime members who were in on it this afternoon.
Yes, all the lifetime members already
all the
knew.
lifetime members were in on it. They all knew what we were doing. So
all the lifetime members knew. All the lifetime members knew. I'll tell you what, I'll say this. Working every day for something you do not like is called stress. Working for something you love is called passion. And there are two things that I can talk every single day about until I'm blue in the face, and that's stocks and sports. And when we do, when I go about these, I do one-on-one mentor sessions, and I'm trading, or I'm doing a workshop with other members, and I do it because I love it. I'd be doing it anyway, with or without True Trading Group. This is what I love. And the passion that Adam and I have for this platform, and the mission and the goal that we have to change this industry and to empower retail traders to help them start making professional decisions, right? Getting access to professional level of education, professional tools, professional resources to give yourself a real chance, not just some stupid Discord with somebody that's paper trading and, someone on Reddit that told you some stock is going to go to the moon, with no backing behind whatever they're saying anyway, or even knowing what they're talking about. That's not the way that you guys are going to become successful. It's just not. You find any professional trader, any successful trader that makes a living doing this, not one of them will tell you, oh yeah, I get all my trade ideas from Twitter. No, they don't. So neither should you. If you've been doing that up until this point, has it been working? Are you where you want to be? How long have you been doing this? 2 years, 3 years, and you're still not where you want to be? Doesn't that tell you something? Doesn't that tell you something? If you were doing anything else in your life for 2, 3 years and you still weren't where you want to be, would you change, or would you just continue to do the same thing over and over and over again, praying the one day you just randomly get lucky and you hit the lottery?
This is why we exist.
What?
This is why we exist.
Right, exactly. I'll tell you, listen, guys.
Yes. Go ahead.
No, I'm saying if all you're looking for is, Mike, tell me the next mother of all short squeeze, we ain't for you. True Trading Group ain't for you. Okay? If you want to treat the stock market like a casino, you'll get casino results. There's plenty of other groups out there that would love to take your money and just feed a bunch of garbage down your throat day in after day. If you guys want to actually learn the proper way how to navigate the markets, give yourself the best possible chance of reaching consistent profitability, start making better decisions in your long-term portfolio while generating income from day trading and swing trading, and you want to actually learn a new skill that you can take with you for the rest of your life, then True Trading Group is for you. I only want serious people. I only want serious people. If you're not a serious person, I don't want you part of True Trading Group. The members of True Trading Group don't want you part of True Trading Group. There's plenty other services out there that would feed off of that garbage. We are not that.
Yeah, you can go spend $150 at a Discord every month just to be following some dude that paper trades and is lying to you the whole time.
That's crazy. That is so crazy.
Ross Limbaugh says, been here for 3 weeks and turning my life around.
Wow. Ross actually, I think it's Ross, had us blocked for 2 years. Ross, was that you that had us blocked? And then you said before that, and then you regret it. 3 years. It was 3 years, not 2 years. So Ross had us blocked for 3 years and now regrets that he didn't join sooner. Ross, am I correct? Was that you? Yes, sir. See, there he goes. Yes, sir. That's what I thought. Was it the AO, Ross? Was it the
course it
AO
was.
that made you block?
Everyone hates that ad. Everyone hates that ad, but everyone remembers that ad.
I'm sorry, Ross. I'm sorry, man. There was the AO that had you block me. Yes, Ed O'Hara wants to know if my cost stays the same. Yes, Ed, it does. Your cost stays the same.
Now, here's the catch. There's always a catch. We will, the price of our membership will be going up. Okay? We're going to do it slowly, but it is going to go up. All right? So, and honestly, we know that it's worth it. We know that it's worth it. Nearly 70% of the majority of our members have not only made back their membership fee, but have made it back 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 multiple times. 14% out of that almost 70% have made it back 10 times. That's a lot, man.
It is only, so a bunch of people are asking, yes, guys, the membership is going up only for new people in the future. If you're already a member, your membership price is not going up.
Right. Nothing changes for anybody that's already signed up. Going forward, we're going to be walking this up. Okay? So that's it. That's where we're at. Thank you guys. Mike's going to go into stuff. I got to get home for Passover dinner. I know for a fact that we have 11 laptops.
Oof. That's it.
And then Taylor B just signed up. Username sucks with an S, with an X, to suck. Sucks to suck.
Suck. Well, we're gonna make sure you don't suck anymore, Taylor.
Yeah, Taylor, your days of sucking are over.
Your days of sucking are over.
Well, now we have how much will I pay for my renewal next year? The same amount. Look, you guys want to hear a secret? Let's talk a secret for a second. How many of you paid whatever you guys paid to sign up? How many of you paid more money the next? Well, whatever you guys paid to sign up, did you guys pay more or less money the following year? More or less money the following year? Look at all those lesses. I paid less each renewal. Paid less. Like, I'm going to edit this part out of the live stream later so that people don't know. But in case you haven't figured it out yet, we want you to stay for a long time. We take care of people, man. That's why all these people are here.
We take care of our members, guys. We really do. You guys, it's when you guys join True Trading Group, you're grandfathering yourself in at the price that you pay when you join. But honestly, we've hooked people up with their renewals, and we actually charge them less if they want to renew their membership. Like I said, we have a 78% renewal rate. So, when people, we'll give people a deal to, if you guys want to stay with us and just keep going. And that's why we've had so many people that have been here for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years that have been members of True Trading Group with us. It's because they're having success. It's because they're progressing. They're getting better. They're making money. So why would you not? Why would you not want to renew your membership? So there you go. Darlene didn't even finish her first year. She's already renewed her membership.
Yeah. People, when they come here, a lot of times people have been through the ringer so many times. People have just been taken advantage of and taken to the cleaners and upsold tremendously, and they get here and they're like, holy shit, I never want to leave here. Right. I don't want to, right. What do I have to do to make sure that you guys never go out of business? I've literally heard that continuously from members. What do I have to do so you guys never go out of business?
Yeah, see, that's what I'm saying. I paid over $5,000 for courses that didn't come close to TDJ.
Yeah, and honestly, that's what happens when you treat people well. when you treat people like people and not a number, when you provide real value. See, there's nothing wrong with charging for a service or for
Look at Colton. Look at Colton.
Take my money.
I gotta say, I really like Colton.
I like Colton too.
I really like Colton.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with that, right? As long as you're delivering on what it is. So, anyways, that's all I got to say about that. Mike, tell them how to sign up and let's get on.
Yeah, I'll do, because I got some stuff I want to talk to you guys about. You know, what I would like to do on the live stream today. I'll tell you how you guys can join. If you guys want to sign up for True Trading Group, I'll explain to you guys how you can do so right now. It'll take me like 3 minutes. But then I want to go over with you. Over the last 2 or 3 days, I've given you guys a handful, like 7 or 8 different stocks with very specific game plans on what I thought these stocks were going to do. I want to revisit that, and I want to go over the analysis that I gave you Sunday, the analysis I gave you last night, and let's go over all those stocks and let's see what those stocks have done since I gave you that analysis. Where was I right? Where was I wrong? And let's talk about, out of all the stuff that I gave you, how many times was I right versus how many times was I wrong? And then talk about, you know, what I expect now for the last trading day of the week. Remember, the market is closed on Friday. So tomorrow is the last trading day of the week, and we have very important economic data coming out tomorrow, which is going to be the initial jobless claims number comes out at 8:30 a.m. tomorrow morning. And then you have the employment report, the U.S. employment report comes out Friday, which is very weird because it's a major piece of data, and the market's closed and no one's going to be able to trade that data. So tomorrow is actually going to be a very important day in the markets. And I want to talk about that. But before we do so, I do want to welcome Taylor. Taylor just joined. So we have 10 laptops left. Everybody welcome Taylor to the True Trading Group family, newest member of the group. And for the rest of you that are on here that are not members, if you guys do want to become part of the family and take advantage of the new version of the annual membership and get that onboarding trader identity interview, as well as a brand new free laptop, you guys go to ttgoffer.com right now. It's going to be a 54% discount, drops the price all the way down to 53% discount, drops the price all the way down to $1,027. That's it for the entire year. You pay the one price. You get access to all of our courses, all of our tools for the entire year. The courses you have access to for 3 years. You get all the tools and everything for 1 year. Go to ttgoffer.com, get access to all of our courses for 3 years, get access to all of our tools for the full year of your membership, and get yourself that onboarding trader identity interview with one of our trading reps at True Trading Group so we can get you started on the right foot. You're also going to get a brand new free laptop with your membership. It's worth a few $100. It's totally free. We cover the shipping. We ship anywhere in the world. We have members in over 100 different countries. We'll get you the laptop no matter where you live. As long as you're on Earth, I'll get you that free laptop. As long as you see a laptop in the checkout cart, that's how you know you're getting one. You just have to go to ttgoffer.com and then take advantage of this, guys, because we're going to start moving the price of this membership up. Like we said, the value that you get with this membership and this platform is unbelievable. You see the prices that some other people are charging for far less value. We know what we're worth, and the price of this membership needs to move itself back towards the original price, which was $2,212. Right now, you can get that 53% off for $1,027 for the whole year. And I'll even throw in a double your money back guarantee because I stand behind the platform that we've created. I'm so confident in the platform that we've created and its ability to help you guys reach your goals that I have no problem saying to you all right now, looking you dead in the face and saying, join True Trading Group, go through the courses, pass the quizzes, attend the study group. And if you are unable to make your membership fee back at least once during your membership, I'll give you back double your money. So if you can't make back $1,027 at least once during your membership, I'll give you back $2,054, and you can keep the free laptop. That's how much I stand behind this platform. That's how much I believe. Listen, I know we talk a big game on here, but we're trying to change this industry. We're doing a damn good job of it. But in order to do that, I've got to back up all of my statements and all of my claims with our own money, and that's how we prove it to you by offering you that double your money back guarantee. I don't think you need it. We've only had to give a refund to roughly 2.51% of our members. 78% of our members renew their membership, and we're 5-star rated on Trustpilot with well over 2,000 reviews. Go to ttgoffer.com right now. You'll get all of our courses. The courses are a simplified and expanded upon version of the 3-month educational trading program that I went through, and I worked at the fund in New York. Joe, maybe you can post a link up in chat right now. People can actually see what they will have access to. They can see all the courses that they're going to get and all the topics that they're going to learn about. You guys can click on the link inside of chat to see all the courses you're going to have access to. You're going to get beginner courses, advanced courses, options courses, trader psychology, swing trading, crypto, futures. Every single course is included when you join for the 1027. We don't have these like VIP courses that cost another $1,000 after you join. We don't do upsells for courses. We don't do upsells for tools. Okay. You'll have access to all of our courses for 3 years. You get access to all the tools and resources for the full year of your active membership. That's going to include Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed, Quote Media's full book level 2, TradingView's premium charting software, ETNA's simulator, the Trade Ideas scanner, dark pool data, unusual options activity, options flow, a trading journal, a social sentiment scanner, analyst ratings. All of this is included with the 1027. It is value like you've never seen in any other platform, program, or service. I guarantee it. Now, if you're a trial member, or you used to be a trial member, or you used to be an annual member, and you guys want this offer and you guys want this deal, you have to send us a text message because we have to whitelist your email in order for you to get this deal. The phone number you need to text is at the bottom of your screen, 786-505-4049. Text that phone number at the bottom of your screen if you guys want to take advantage of this deal. Also, if you're anyone that has any questions about this membership, about the traders, about our tools, the courses, anything, text that phone number at the bottom of your screen. We're a full, open, transparent book. You text us with any questions, we'll answer it. You'll talk to a real person, and we'll help answer any questions and concerns that you guys do have. So again, go to ttgoffer.com. As long as you see a laptop, you'll get the 53% discount. There's 10 of those laptops left. You don't have to enter your address to get the laptop. You'll get a welcome email when you join with instructions how to claim the free laptop. So be on the lookout for that welcome email after you guys do join. Okay? So there you guys have it, folks. ttgoffer.com. All right? Excellent. All right, folks, let's head on over to the charts. And I want to walk you through the trade ideas that I've given you guys over the last 3 days. So Sunday and yesterday, I gave you guys a list of different trades, specific stocks, what I was looking for, what I thought was going to happen, where I was going to be positioning myself to make money. I want to go over and I want to go over them. And I want to kind of recap them and see where was I right and where was I wrong. If you guys caught the live stream Sunday evening, then you guys will know that I gave you guys a list of stocks. It was Meta, Tesla, Nvidia, Coinbase, Moderna. Okay. And we also talked about Oxy, OXY. Those were the stocks that I gave you guys on Sunday. And then last night I gave you Caterpillar, Coinbase, and Newmont Mining. I want to go over all of them. Where was I right? Where was I wrong? Because out of all of those stocks, I was wrong on one of them. I was wrong on one of them, and that was Tesla. Tesla was the one that I was wrong on. I was right on Meta, Coinbase, Caterpillar, Newmont, Nvidia, Moderna, and Oxy. Tesla, I was wrong on. All right, so I want to go through all of that analysis with you guys, and let's do a quick check-in. Let's talk about Meta first. Okay. Now, for those of you guys were on the live stream yesterday, then you know that we were able to capitalize on the Meta trade. So on Sunday evening, I gave you guys Meta, and I said, watch for pullbacks at 208. You don't have to take my word for this, guys. You can just go back and watch the live stream from Sunday evening. I told you guys on pullbacks towards 208, I'm going to be buying Meta, and that's exactly what we did. That's exactly what we did on Monday. We had the pullback right there into, we got down to 208. I got long right here, 209 and change, and it turned out to be an absolute monster for us. As you can see, Meta went all the way up to 216. I'm still long a small piece of Meta. I took the bulk of my position off the table when we got that explosion move into the close on Monday. I'm still long a small piece of it just because I thought maybe we can get into like the 220s, but the bulk of my position is off the table. And I'm just going to see if maybe I can get a little bit more upside out of Meta, but I'm down to a small piece. So My stop on the rest of this position will be probably underneath 210. We get underneath 210. I'll take my final profit off on the last of this position, but we'll see if we can bounce off of that area and maybe make a move up towards 220. That would be great. If we get upside action tomorrow after the jobless claims number, I can add back to get to full size. Again, right now I'm in a very small piece. I took the bulk of that position off the table already for a monster trade. All right, and Meta was an absolute monster for us. You can see we caught this entire move. Okay, we caught this entire move. All right, so that was a fantastic one for us. We were right on Meta. Let's talk about NVIDIA, the banger from today, right? So what did we talk about? NVIDIA, Sunday evening. What did we talk about in NVIDIA? Sunday evening, okay, we said that we think that NVIDIA is due for a profit-taking pullback, that we wanted to be shorted in the mid-280s. That was what I said. I go mid-280s. I'm looking to get short NVIDIA. We just did not get to the mid-280s. We stopped at 280. So we didn't get to – I was going to short it like 284. We didn't quite get there. We got to 280 and double topped. So we got to 280, double topped, right? I did not enter the trade yesterday, but then we had the gap down today, and I did take the trade today. So today we took the trade. All right, I'll zoom this in for you guys. Today we took the trade, and we're able to capitalize on this entire down move here. We took that trade. Members were able to get about a 30 to 40% gain on put options on NVIDIA. Oh, way to go, my boy Rhino. I see you, bro, with the 279 entry. Yes. Rhino, great job, man. A 200% gain on the swing trade on NVIDIA for my boy Rhino. Great job, man. Really great job. Rhino, hope the family's well, brother. Hope the business is well. Also, great job. I see the trading as well. Craziest trade for me so far, 200% gain. Way to go, man. And that was right off of the analysis, right? We said we're looking for a profit-taking pullback here on NVIDIA. We were all over that Sunday evening. And then there you get the double top yesterday, and then we take that trade. And then today we get paid very handsomely to the short side on NVIDIA. It was a beauty. Way to go, Ed. Ed also took the trade yesterday overnight. So we were right on NVIDIA. That was a nice trade. That's where I made the bulk of my money today, folks, was on the NVIDIA short. And that was a thing of beauty. Tesla, this is the trade that I was wrong on. Okay, so let's go to the daily chart, right? So Tesla, after Tesla broke above 200, what I wanted to see was it was for 200 to be support and then push to 215. So this is the one that I was wrong on. Out of all the stocks that I gave you guys, I was looking at this previous little double top resistance. You blasted through that on last Friday, and then you had the Q1 delivery numbers come through. Those Q1 delivery numbers came through on Sunday, and I wasn't, the numbers were good. I wasn't sure how the markets were going to react to it, but I said if 200 holds, I want to be long in Tesla if 200 holds and look for a move to this 200-day moving average. Right, that was going to be my game plan. Was long at 200 and then try to get up there to the 200-day moving average. But you can see on Monday, as soon as the markets open, we just cracked right through 200, and I did not make a trade. I did not buy Tesla. I did not short Tesla. I was wrong on the analysis there. We did not hold 200. The stock obviously trading significantly lower, now down to 185 as the stock's gone down for three consecutive days. So the 200 level did not hold, and I was wrong on the analysis there on Tesla. But Meta was fantastic. NVIDIA, fantastic. Moderna, another one. Some traders caught this. The trade idea that I gave you guys on trade plan that I gave you guys on Sunday for Moderna was off of these low 160s. And you can see this previous double bottom, right? See that previous double bottom. And then you also have this head and shoulders pattern. So there's left shoulder, there's head, there's right shoulder, here's neckline, you broke it, you bounce back up into it. And then you also have here, you can see here, the 50 and 200-day moving averages coming together to provide a level of resistance right at those 160 levels. And then we said, look for the pullback back down to the mid to low 150s. And that's exactly what you got. So let's go to a 3-minute chart. You guys can see, okay, this a little bit more closely. There was the level. There's that 160 level. You got right up into it. And then you guys can see the nice little pullback off of that all the way back down to 152. That was another one. All right, another one. So great job, those of you. I know I saw a couple of people. I did not take this trade, but I did see a bunch of members tell me that they did take it off the 160 level and turned out to pay very, very nicely, as we were correct also on Moderna. So that is 344. Caterpillar, another one. Oh, I'm sorry, Coinbase. I also gave you on Coinbase. I gave you guys also on Sunday, and Sunday was sell 68.69. All right, sell 68.69 off of this trading range. And again, guys, you don't have to just take my word for it that this was the analysis. You can just go watch the live stream from Sunday. It's on this YouTube channel. So here's this very clear channel for Coinbase. All right, and we said when the Coinbase gets up to 68.69 to look to sell it. Where do I get the 68.69 from? Well, it's pretty straightforward. Right, we'll just draw a line across call 68.50. Right, so there's 68.50. You can see all that resistance. You can see that resistance. You can see that resistance. And then you can see that resistance. All right, so we're right about this one as well. Selling, that was on Sunday night. And then Monday, we open up. We go right to 68.50 and then roll it over. And then today, all the way down to $60. So again, another one, Coinbase, guys, right on Coinbase. And this, a lot of members have been trading off of this short. I know Shai, one of the moderators in the trading group, has been short Coinbase. Via put options, is in put options, not short the stock, but in put options. And this one trading to the downside beautifully. So this analysis also spot on. So that's 4 for 5 there on Coinbase. We're looking for more downside on Coinbase also. If Coinbase cannot get back over 61, we're going to try to ride that one to the downside. This is a major support level for Coinbase here at 60. It's this 200-day moving average, this yellow line you see on my screen. If you give this up, if you cannot get back over 61 and you give this up, it's a straight shot down to this 100-day moving average. And I'm looking for a $53 to $54 target. So I'll tell you now, if we can't get over 61 tomorrow, you'll see me get short Coinbase now tomorrow. And I'll look for the move down to 53 to 54. And that could be another home run for us. So that's another beautiful trade analysis there on Coinbase that we were correct on. OXY, we were right on this one, but the trade just happened pre-market. So in all fairness, I don't know. I don't really know if there was really an opportunity to make money there unless you trade pre-market. So we were right on the analysis to get up to 67, but the move happened pre-market when you had all the news about the OPEC oil production cuts and the oil stocks exploded. So it kind of took the trade away from you. So, yeah, we were right. It got to 67, but in reality, I don't really think there was an opportunity to really make money there. Because the move happened before the market even opened. Then we went and talked about Caterpillar yesterday. We had a big red day on Caterpillar yesterday. And I told you guys, I think Caterpillar gets to this 200-day moving average, which is this yellow line you see on my screen. And again, go back and watch the live stream from yesterday. You don't have to take my word for it. We said 212 to 213. There is this previous level of support. And wouldn't you know, what's the low of the day today, folks? It's 212. And that is exactly what we said for yesterday. So yesterday, we said look for the follow through to the downside, and a lot of people were able to capitalize on the follow through move to the downside on Caterpillar. All right, and Caterpillar, that's the target, right? That was the target. So I, have no position on Caterpillar. That was the target. Target's been reached. If you get underneath 207.5, then I'll re-engage this stock, and we'll look for a move to 200. And the reason why I'm getting where I get that level from is this gap up from the end of October of last year. That's a gap entry point. Okay, so if you break that 207.50, you get into this gap, and I would expect that gap to be filled to 200. And 200 is also a key structure level. You can see all of that resistance in July and August. There's resistance again in October. The gap up, now that creates structure support at 200 and a gap fill at 200. So if you get underneath 207.5, I'll be short down to 200. That's Caterpillar. We reiterated the Coinbase short yesterday. I already went over Coinbase with you, but we reiterated the Coinbase short yesterday, looking for more downside. We were right on that one. And then lastly, NEM, of just being bullish on NEM. And that one giving you some more upside, a follow-through breakout day from yesterday. Look for $50 support, guys. If you want to be long, if you like the idea of being long gold for the future, I like gold long-term. I don't just like gold for the next week or two. I like gold long-term. I think gold goes to $2,500 an ounce. Just broke over that $2,000 threshold. I think there's more room there. The cost of mining is coming down for these miners, and the product that they sell, the price is going up. So very similar to what happened with oil companies. Okay, as the price of oil goes higher, they make more money. As the price of gold goes higher, gold miners make more money, just like oil drillers make more money. So watch for pullbacks into $50 on NEM. I like $50 for the long on NEM. It's been a major, major level. You can see here, previous resistance, resistance, support, support, resistance, 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 right? So every time this stock gets to $50, it has an impact and an effect on the price of the stock. And I'd look for $50 to be support for possible longs for the long term. NEM is not a very volatile stock. It's a very slow mover. Okay. So there you guys have it. All right. So that's the check-in on all of the stocks that I've given you over the last couple of days. Was wrong on Tesla, was right on all the rest. It's been a phenomenal week. Even though it's a short week, it's been a good week. Members doing well, and we're going to finish the week off strong tomorrow. All right. Tomorrow's the final trading day of the week. Don't forget, the markets are closed on Friday. So if you don't want to be holding positions over the weekend, make sure you're out of the trade by the close tomorrow because the markets are closed on Friday. And I'll be golfing. All right. Cool. Excellent. Well, there you have it, folks. All right. Let me tell you what I think about tomorrow. I like this 2-day pullback that you just experienced in the market. I like this 2-day pullback. And this is, you know, if you followed the live streams for the last couple of days, I've given you 2 levels, primary support and secondary support. Primary support was this first line you see on my screen. Secondary is this one here. Where we get these levels from? I'm not pulling these levels out of thin air. Previous resistance, previous support, previous support, previous resistance, right? So that's where I got that level from. So resistance, support, support, resistance, broke through it, looking for it to become support again. So far, we have successfully pulled back, tested, and held that level. Now, if we get a better than expected jobless claims number tomorrow, you could see a little bit of a recovery off this little 2-day pullback. This 2-day pullback has also been on very low volume. That's not a very high volume sell-off or a very high volume pullback. It's been a low volume pullback. So if you, depending on the jobless claims number, now guys, I don't know what the jobless claims number is going to be. So I'm going to react to it, right? I'm going to react to that number. So if we can bounce off this level and you get a green candle tomorrow or we look something like this, you could be set up for more upside. And then next week you have CPI and PPI data. And if the inflation number comes in way under expectations, that could give the market one more push to the upside and get to my eventual target, which are these highs, right? This resistance level is where I think the market is headed to, but we need to hold this level in order for us to really make that push. And then Friday, you're going to kick off earnings with the banks. Next week, JP Morgan. And by that time, I think, I want to start to be positioned for the short side. I think once you get into earnings in the next 2 weeks, I'm going to try to be short. I'm going to try to be short by May. I want to be positioned short the market by May. And I'll walk you guys through that and how I plan on positioning and how I'm going to do that. But that's what I'm looking for in the overall markets, right? So we're going to look for that 406 level. Today's low is 406. So look for 406 to hold, and we'll see what the jobless claims numbers come in at tomorrow. If they're better than expected, it could alleviate some of the recession fears that you got over the last 2 days, or it could confirm the recession fears. And if the jobless claims number is really, really terrible, then I'll look to be short the market back down to at least 404, possibly 402. If those numbers are bad. If the numbers are bad and it shows a huge increase in jobless claims and a huge increase in continuing jobless claims, I'll be short probably to 402 to 404 tomorrow. Okay. Okay, guys. So there you have it. All right. That's going to be the game plan for tomorrow. All right. So there we have that. All right, folks. What I'll do now, that wraps up the educational part of the live stream. So if you're not interested in membership, you guys can sign off. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Smash the like button. Turn on your notifications before you go. If you are interested, I'll show you the platform now so you guys can actually see for yourself what that $1,027 membership fee will actually get you. and let's walk you through it. Because like I said, you pay that one price, you get access to all of our courses for 3 years. You get access to all of our tools and trade alerts for 1 year. So let me go through and show you guys this, because of course you're going to get our chat room. The chat room is where the mods and I share our screen. We're live on the mic. We're calling out trades in real time. We're not gone after an hour or two and you're left to fend for yourself. We're with you the whole day. You will also be getting our mobile app, so you can get real-time trade alerts. Even if you're not in front of your computer, you can see the screen share. You can listen to the audio commentary directly from your cell phone. So if you're not in front of a computer, we got you covered. You're also going to get 2 private study group sessions with our mods to really speed up that learning curve. You're going to get an onboarding interview process. You're going to go through an onboarding interview process when you join, so we can identify what your trader identity is, so we can figure out what trading style and what moderators are going to be best for you to follow and gravitate towards. You're going to get Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed. That's $1,000 on its own. If you go to Benzinga directly, it's included with your membership when you pay the $1027. You get TradingView's premium charting software. That's like $600 a year. If you go to TradingView directly, it's included with your membership. You get the Trade Ideas scanner. Make sure you're focused on the hottest stocks during the day. You get a simulator from ETNA, lets you trade stocks, options, crypto, and futures with fake money, but real-time data, so you can practice implementing what you're learning in the courses. Our own proprietary scanner will let you guys create custom scans. You get dark pool data, unusual options activity, and options flow. A trading journal will track all your trades and break it down to the numbers and statistics for you, so you see what you're doing wrong. A social sentiment scanner will tell you what stocks are being mentioned most on social media. Analyst ratings on any stock you're interested in, so you can see how many analysts have a buy, sell, or hold rating. A watch list every day the mods and I publish tells you what stocks we're focusing on and detailed game plans of how we plan on trading them. Then you get all of our courses. The courses are a simplified and expanded upon version of what I went through what I learned, and I went through the 3-month educational training program working at the fund. There's beginner courses, advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto, futures. You have access to all of it as a member of True Trading Group, guys. For 3 whole years, you get access to those courses. All right. There's no VIP courses that cost more money after you join. You get access to all of them. Then there's a video library that's got like 600 hours of workshops and webinars. You have access to all that. And you can attend all these workshops live once you become a full-time member. Now, folks, I can't guarantee you'll be successful just because you join True Trading Group. But what I can do is, if you join, go through the courses, pass the quizzes, attend a study group. If you can't make back the $1,027, I'll give you double your money back, $2,054. That's the deal I'm willing to make you guys. And you can keep the free laptop. The next 10 people to go to ttgoffer.com, get that free laptop. We ship anywhere in the world. We have members in over 100 different countries. If you have questions, text us 786-505-4049. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Hope you guys enjoyed the live stream. Hope you're excited for the new additions to the annual membership. And again, if you have any questions, you can also text the number at the bottom of the screen. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications. I'll see you guys all in chat tomorrow. We'll finish the week off